Hello, my name is Ryan with Can Do Printing, and today I'm going to show you how to design a simple pocket folder using Photoshop. The first thing we're going to need is a die line. From our home page, click Pocket Folder Die Lines, and you can choose from many different die lines to start your project. Let's just choose our standard 9x12 pocket folder die line, and then save it to our desktop. Now we're going to launch Photoshop. Go to File, Open, and select the die line we just saved to our desktop. When opening, we have to make sure of a couple of things. Change the crop to media box. Make sure the resolution of the document is at least 300 dpi for best print quality. And change the color mode to CMYK. Now let's make this a little bigger. Go to View and Fit to Screen. Now we are going to create a background color. We will start by making a new layer by clicking here. Now use the Marquee tool to click and drag a box around the outside of the die line. Leave an 1/8 inch all the way around for proper bleed. Bleed is to ensure you have ink all the way to the edges of the folder. To fill in the color of this box, click on the foreground color palette. Then you can select your color or manually type in one using percentages of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. I'm going to enter in 60, 50, 40, and 100. This will give me a nice build black that is better for printing over just 100% black. Now that we have created a new foreground color, click Edit, then Fill. Select foreground color because that's the color we want to fill the box with. Now we are going to move this box to the bottom layer so we can still see our die line. Just click and drag the layer to the bottom. Now for some artwork, we're going to go to File and Place to import any image we have. I'm going to select our Can Do Printing logo. Crop to bounding box just means to the outside of the image, so press OK. You can click and drag this image anywhere you want, so I'm going to use some guides to help me place it exactly in the center of the front of the folder, towards the top. Just click on the rulers around the outside of your document and drag them to where you want the center of your image. Now drag and drop the center of your image to where the two guides meet, and it should snap right to the center. Then click on the corner and resize it to whatever size you want. Okay, now I want the same image to be on the inside right pocket, so I'm going to import it the same way I did before. Now let's drag our guides again to where we want the center of our image, and drag our image into place. Any image you place on the pockets need to be rotated 180 degrees, so when the pocket is folded up on the inside, the image will be orientated right side up. Now you can resize the image. We don't need the guides anymore, so we can get rid of them by going to View, then Clear Guides. When you're all done designing your folder, there are a couple of things you need to do before saving. You need to get rid of the die line because you don't want that to print, and you need to flatten the image so all the layers become one. To remove the die line, go over to our layers and click and drag the die line layer down to the little trash icon. This will delete that layer. And to flatten the image, go to Layer and Flatten Image. Make sure you wait to do this step till the very end because then you won't be able to move or delete any other layers. Now that we're all done, we can save. Click File, Save As, then rename it what you like. Make sure the format is a PDF and you don't need to embed a color profile. Click Save, and this will bring up our options for saving our PDF. Use one of Adobe's presets called High Quality Print. We don't really need to preserve the Photoshop editing capabilities, so we'll get rid of this to reduce file size. Now press Save PDF and you're all done. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to design a pocket folder using Illustrator, we have an instructional video for that as well. We also have instructional videos on how to place an order on our website and how to upload a file. And there will definitely be more to come. Thanks for watching.